The Ninja Foodi OP300EU multi-cooker may display a water error when the appliance detects that there isn't enough liquid inside the pot to safely build pressure. Pressure cooking requires a minimum amount of water or broth to create steam, and the cooker will pause operation if this requirement isn't met. This protective feature prevents overheating and ensures safe cooking conditions. In most cases, the issue can be resolved quickly by checking the liquid level, lid seal, and pressure components. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the cooker and carefully open the lid to check the contents inside the pot. Step 2. Ensure there is at least 1 cup of liquid such as water, broth, or sauce in the inner pot. Step 3. Inspect the silicone sealing ring inside the lid and confirm it is properly installed and clean. Step 4. Check that the pressure release valve is correctly positioned and not blocked. Step 5. Close the lid securely, restart the cooking program, and confirm the water error message disappears.